In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these images by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. This was the original image that was generated by Blender's texture painting. Please use Eevee with 768 by 768 resolution without composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. As usual, I created a plane, duplicated it, and typed R, X, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. Then I went to Texture Paint, and painted a depth map that will be imported into Stable Diffusion later. Something like this, and this image was used as a depth map in Stable Diffusion. Please render the image and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.